This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and the Illinois Department of Public Health. A bloodborne pathogen is spreading across the state of Illinois and other areas of the United States. Symptoms of the pathogen includes runny nose, itchy eyes, coughing, bodily aches, high fever, and congestion. Severe symptoms include hemorrhagic fever, bleeding profusely in the nose, tear ducts, anus, skin pores, mouth, urethra, and vagina, vomiting blood that distances up to 16 feet, hallucinations, loss of consciousness, and death. There is no cure for the pathogen. Citizens are advised to stay indoors, lock all doors and windows, keep a safe distance from people, shut off all heating and air conditioning units, cover all cracks of doors and windows with tape or damp towels, and have enough food and water that lasts 3 weeks.